this is Tim here from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 to your wireless hotspot on your phone. So to do this, all you need to do is swipe on down from the top right, and let's go on over to settings now. So we can find settings down here. So let's go to settings, and then go to the network options. So let's go to network and internet. And I can find my hotspot right here, so I can just turn on my hotspot and tethering. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay, once it's turned on, we can click on it, and we can set up the name of the hotspot. You can just change this wherever you want. Mine is just Tim's Wi-Fi. Then go down here and set up a password. So my password is Timothy1. So I have this set up, and once it's set up, it's turned on, we should be able to discover it on our PS5 now. So let's go to the Wi-Fi option. So go all the way to settings. Then wait for this to load, and then go on over to where it says network. So under here, let's go to where it says connections and go to settings and set up internet connections, and we should be able to find it under this list now. So Timothy1 should be setting up here, or here's Tim1. So we can click on it, and let's type in the password Timothy1. And then we should be able to connect now. Okay, let's go to OK. And this should connect to my Wi-Fi hotspot on my PS5. So, very simple to set up, just turn it on. And then I'm connected and I'm playing through my mobile phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.